This is Goldenrod, also known as Solidago, part of the aster family, and it blooms in the fall of the year, which is good for pollinators because it's something blooming when a lot of things is not blooming, and you'll see it along the sides of the roads. It grows with a stiff stalk. It's green until it starts blooming in the fall. So if you see something stiff growing up with these nice pointed leaves on it, I would leave it and see if it's not a Solidago plant, because this is great for the fall blooms, for pollinators, and it's just something really pretty in the yard. This happens to bloom at the same time that ragweed does, and ragweed is not a Solidago, ragweed is ambrosia. So they're completely different plants, but this one is blooming at the same time that everybody starts sneezing from the ragweed, but they are completely different plants, and this is not the culprit, but this is when they both bloom.
Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.